In the fast-paced world of 2024, mastering control over your mind has become more crucial than ever. With constant distractions, pressures, and stimuli bombarding us from all angles, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and out of control. But fear not, because there are effective strategies you can employ to regain command over your thoughts and emotions. Let's explore some practical techniques that can help you steer the ship of your mind in the direction you desire. First and foremost, mindfulness is a powerful tool in the arsenal of mind control. By practicing mindfulness, you can cultivate awareness of your thoughts and emotions without getting entangled in them. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day to simply sit and observe your thoughts. Notice how they come and go like clouds in the sky, without judgment or attachment. Over time, this practice can help you develop greater clarity and focus, enabling you to respond to situations with calmness and composure. Another effective technique for controlling your mind is visualization. Visualization involves mentally rehearsing a desired outcome or scenario in vivid detail. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, facing a challenging situation, or striving to achieve a goal, visualization can help program your mind for success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself navigating the situation with confidence and ease. Engage all your senses to make the visualization as realistic as possible. With consistent practice, you'll find that your mind becomes more attuned to achieving the outcomes you desire. Furthermore, the power of positive affirmations cannot be overstated when it comes to controlling your mind. Affirmations are short, positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly to reinforce a desired belief or mindset. For example, if you struggle with self-doubt, you might repeat affirmations like "I am capable and worthy," or "I trust in my abilities." By flooding your mind with positive messages, you can overwrite negative thought patterns and cultivate a more empowering mindset. Additionally, incorporating regular exercise and healthy habits into your routine can significantly impact your mental well-being. Physical activity has been shown to reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance cognitive function. Whether it's going for a jog, practicing yoga, or hitting the gym, find activities that you enjoy and make them a priority in your life. Likewise, prioritize proper nutrition, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques to ensure that your mind and body are operating at their best. Moreover, cultivating a growth mindset can revolutionize the way you approach challenges and setbacks. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Instead of viewing failure as a reflection of your worth, see it as an opportunity for growth and learning. Embrace challenges as stepping stones to success, and maintain a sense of curiosity and resilience in the face of adversity. By adopting a growth mindset, you can train your mind to see possibilities where others see obstacles. Lastly, surround yourself with positive influences and supportive individuals who uplift and inspire you. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your thoughts and behaviors, so choose wisely. Seek out mentors, friends, and communities that align with your values and aspirations. Engage in meaningful conversations, share your goals and dreams, and draw inspiration from those around you. Remember, you have the power to control your mind and shape your reality. By implementing these strategies and staying committed to your growth and development, you can unlock your full potential and create the life you envision in 2024 and beyond.